Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. In this video, honeys, I'm going to show you how to do your own gelish nails at home, sweetie. I ordered this gelish set off of Take a Lot. All of the information will be in the description box below. Just going to take you through the things that you get in the box. So you get this wonderful cuticle cutter, you get 2 nail files, and the box also comes with another this little mini UV LED light. I'm gonna be very honest with you, honey. I would actually advise you to get yourself a proper one. I struggle to use this. It's so small. I didn't know it was this small, but I've since found a hack, so it does still work perfectly. It's just quite small. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy my content, and if you're returning subscriber, darling, thank you so much for coming back. You know we love your support here on this channel. In the box, actually in the inter box, you get also this other miniature box that has all of the colors and some accessories that they've also put in for you. This entire set cost me 650 rand on Take a Lot. You get these little nail art things that I struggle to use, but honey, I am learning. Nail cleaning sort of like swabs, a little tool to use for the nail art jewels, and then you get this nice metal cuticle pusher. And then you have the wonderful 12 colors they give you, and of course a top coat and a base coat. So there are 12 beautiful colors in here. I have tried most of them, but not all of them, I won't lie. I will show you a couple of photos later. But yeah, I think in terms of quality, this is definitely worth it. I've had it for some time now because I wanted to see the quality. So when you start out, you obviously want to remember to push those cuticles back, file your nails to the length that you like, and then you're gonna start out with that base coat. So tip number uno, right? I actually realized that I have a very heavy hand, and what you're meant to do is with everything that you do put onto the nails, you need to dry it out with a UV light. I realized that I had a very heavy hand, so it took quite some time. I had to go in quite a number of times to the UV light. I then decided to go with red for my first attempt. Haha, bold. And I just went in with the first coat. Of course, had some wine, darling. And then I had to do this to be able to dry my thumbs, because like I said, this UV light thing is so small. I went in with that second coat, and like I said, I realized my issue is that I had a very heavy hand. I would actually keep near you a toothpick so that you can try to also just clean away any like nail polish around your nail. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, it took me quite some time. It took me very long, but of course this was also my very first time attempting to do my own gel nails at home. But yeah, it's because I had to find the hack with the UV light. So what I do now is that instead of putting my hand down, I have to lift it up a bit. And that is it, darlings. That is the color, nice and dry. And now I'm going to go in with that top coat, because remember the top coat is what gives it that shine. I then decided to dabble a little bit in these nail art jewels, which, wow, I did not know what the hell I was doing. But it's not that super difficult. One thing to actually mention though, honey, this nail polish, right, it's gel. When it's dry, it's dry. You see I had some there on my skin. I had to literally take a bath and soak off. So if you get any on your side, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not easy for it to just be off. So I wasn't sure how to use the little nail art jewels, but I kind of figured it out, and I just decided to just do one, because also I was just not sure if it was going to stick, to be honest. I went in with some more of that top coat to help give me that shine and keep it in place. And that sort of like helped it, I repeated obviously the same step on the other hand. And I'm going to be honest, it wasn't too bad. This is how the nails turned out. I saw so many mistakes, but actually when I think about it now, it was just not that bad. So yeah, guys, you can definitely do your own Gelish nails at home. I didn't show a picture of my toes, but I also did do my toes, and on the toes it lasts longer. It does last a good 2 weeks, and then I won't lie to you, I have noticed that it will start to peel off on the sides, but again, I think that's an application problem. So I've tried a couple of colors, and honey, if you do try yourself out with this, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.